Hello friends, I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore teacher. Topic today is animal fat isn't the problem. It's the solution. We've been eating beef tallow, butter, and other animal fats for hundreds and thousands of years. And suddenly, doctors in the American Heart Association say it's bad for our heart. Come on, guys, let's talk truth. Ancestral fat is human fuel. For nearly all of human history, we ate fatty meat from ruminant animals, butter from pastured animals, tallow, lard, and suet for cooking, eggs, liver, bone marrow, the most nutrient-dense sources of fuel available. Our ancestors had zero chronic diseases, no obesity epidemic, and didn't die of heart attacks at the age of 50. Then came the lies. In the mid-1900s, a man named Ancel Keys published the 7 countries study blaming saturated fat for heart disease. The American Heart Association, funded by Big Food and Big Pharma, pushed vegetable oils instead. Beef tallow was replaced by Crisco and canola oil, corn oil, and soybean oil, all inflammatory seed oils. What happened next? Heart disease skyrocketed. Obesity exploded. Type 2 diabetes became normal. Cancer, dementia, autoimmune diseases, all on the rise. We replaced ancestral fats with industrial toxins, and our health collapsed. Why animal fats are superior? Animal fats are stable at high heat, perfect for cooking. Packed with fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, support hormone production, brain health, and cellular repair, zero seed oil inflammation, omega-6 imbalance, biologically perfect for the human body. The proper human diet heals. Cook in beef tallow, butter, ghee, bacon grease. Eat fatty cuts of meat, eggs, organs. Eliminate seed oils, margarine, and processed junk. Return to the foods that built the human brain, body, and strength. Animal fats didn't break us, they built us. It's time to stop fearing the foods our ancestors thrived on and start rejecting the toxic oils we were told were heart healthy. Want to fix your health? Go back to the food that made us human. Meat, butter, tallow, truth. Click the thumbs up if you agree with me and like this video. Share this with somebody who you think can benefit by hearing this message. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. I invite you, and leave me a comment or a question if you feel so motivated, and I'll write you back. Have a really good day.